In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote affiliate links on Reddit and make real money without spending a single dollar on ads. I'm going to show you the exact strategy I use to get traffic and sales from Reddit safely, and you will learn how to find the best subreddit, craft posts that get clicked, and drive people to your offers, all completely free. Even if you have never used Reddit before, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start getting traffic and earning your first affiliate commissions. So just make sure to watch this video until the end and let's get started. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions. I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years and I'm making over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'll share with you my method with Reddit. And just last month, I have made $35,625 and it's paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. This is my payment, this is my invoice, and as you can see, recent payment request details, it's paid as you can see over here. Anyway, I'm here to show you how you can also make your first affiliate commissions using Reddit and start affiliate marketing business with free traffic. Step number one, guys, is you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. This is my affiliate account dashboard. So you need to join an affiliate marketing program. The best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr. So you guys can go to Google and search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this. Keep scrolling more down, go to company over here and click on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can scroll down to get idea and get more info about how much you will earn with Fiverr if you start promoting services as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever because they are paying good commissions. So for example, for pro services, the commission, guys, it's up to 70% of the first orders, which is really a big commissions. The best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning that you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if a person buys service from your affiliate link, you will earn a good commission for his first order. If this person, the same person, will keep buying more services on Fiverr, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr for 1 year. You can turn this into a passive income business. Anyway, if you want to create your affiliate account, you guys can just go back to this page here and click on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, confirm your password, account type, make it private. If you have Fiverr seller account, you can choose this option. If you have company, you can choose this option. And here, do you have a main source of traffic? Say yes. Okay, so here, guys, you need to put, for example, your Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn or Reddit profile link, okay, over here. And what you will do next, you will scroll more down, go to country and choose your country from here. So you can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and so on. Just search for your country from here. And what you will do next, you will click here on English and choose your language. So if you speak English, you can choose English. You speak Spanish, choose Spanish, French, and so on. If you have a Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy those services from you. What you will do next, you need to create an account with Reddit. So you will go to Google and search for Reddit like this, okay? And click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one. This will be your home page, and you should have an account like I said, like this one. It's for free, guys. You just need to use your email address to sign up. And you should know, guys, that Reddit has a lot of traffic. Like Reddit is getting 3 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Reddit, okay? Also, Reddit users are using Reddit they are searching for services, they are searching for product, they are searching for topics, and so much more. So what you will do for you guys as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will click on the search bar of Reddit and you will search for video editor. Search for video editor, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people searching for video editors. You guys can see here, like this one, just 3 days ago, hiring video editor, looking for video editor, best free video editing software for Windows. This one is looking for apps. This one is looking for editing apps. Okay, here you go, hiring video editors. Here is another one. Video editor for my business. 4 days ago, just posted this post on Reddit looking for video editors. So for you, as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, what you will do, you will go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search and search for video editing. It's already popular right now on Fiverr because this service has high demand. Search for video editing service, okay? So what you will do next, you will scroll down and you will find here a lot of sellers who provide this service on Fiverr. What you need to do is you need to choose good seller. How we can choose good sellers? Choose like always like sellers who has a lot of reviews, like level 2 seller, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers for you guys. Okay, so let me choose one. For example, I will do like this one. This one is the top rated seller. Like this one is a good one. So I will choose this one. I will click on his service like this. Just click on the seller service that you want to use, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I'm sharing with you here everything with the proof. You can see I'm proving to you that this service has high demand. Look at this, guys. 88 orders in queue. People keep coming back, meaning that this service also, guys, is evergreen service, meaning that people can keep buying this service multiple times, and you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction those people will make on Fiverr. Okay, people who will use your affiliate link. This is the proof. Everything is clear, everything is like I'm sharing with you guys everything here step by step. Okay, so we will promote this service on Reddit. Those people who search for video editor for my business, $100, and a lot looking for video editor, people searching for video editor for you, you will promote this service, video editing service, on Reddit to those people who search for video editing. I shared with you everything. Okay, what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliates account and click over here on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links. Okay, what you will do next, you will be directly in this page, and what you will do, you will click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate link. This one, guys, Fiverr marketplace new plan. This one. If you are promoting pro services, you will scroll more down and you will see this Fiverr Pro new plan. This will be your affiliate link. If you are promoting pro services, if you are promoting logo design services, this will be your affiliate link, logo maker. For me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because I do have an old Fiverr affiliate account. Like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. That's why I still have this option. And by the way, if you are serious about starting affiliate marketing and you want a clear step-by-step system, I put everything I personally do inside my course. It's the exact strategy I use to generate consistent affiliate commissions every day. Inside the course, I show you how we can start from zero, how to pick a profitable niche, how to set everything up the right way, and how we can scale. You will get access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting, how we can promote your affiliate links on Quora, YouTube, and so much more, and how you can make faceless content without showing your face, without using your voice, that you will use to promote your affiliate offers and more. Feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will send you all the details. Let's complete our video. We created our affiliate link. As you can see, we need to promote this affiliate link on Reddit. What we will do, guys, is we will go, for example, let's pick this one, video editor for my business. I will click on this one, who search for video editor for his business. So what you will do next, you will scroll down and you have here share your thoughts. Okay, you will click here, and what you will do is you need to create a good comment that you will send to this person who is searching for video editor. So what you will do, guys, is you will use AI. So you will use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and ask him create a professional Reddit comment that I will send to people who on Reddit who search for video editor to buy video editing service from me. And here you go. ChatGPT will create a good and a professional comment that you guys can use. Okay, copy this comment like this, go back to Reddit and put this comment here. Okay, and you have this option here, guys. So here you will put not your affiliate link directly, because if you put your affiliate link directly here, Reddit will ban your account. So you need to create a landing page or an affiliate website that you will use to promote this service on Reddit. Okay, and you will put here your page that you are using or your affiliate website, and that's fine. If you are putting your affiliate website or your landing page, you will be fine, and you can click on comments and send this comment to those people who are searching for video editor. And here you will put your affiliate link. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, you will copy your affiliate link from here and put this affiliate link inside your landing page or inside your affiliate website. Put your affiliate website link here or landing page, click on comments, and there you go. For example, like this one, just to show you, this is just an example. You will not put your affiliate link directly like this because your account will get banned. Then you will click on comments. Okay, that's it. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Reddit. You can click on this option like this in this one here, and you should see here link. You can click here on link, and you can, for example, I'm gonna put here video editing. Okay, and here you will put your affiliate website link or your landing page link, for example, like this, and you will click on save. Okay, as you can see, it's gonna be like this. So this person, if he click here on video editing, he will be directly in this seller profile page, this one who provide video editing. If he buy this service from you, you will earn a commission. Okay, that's it. That's exactly how we can promote affiliate links on Reddit. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and I'm gonna describe this. If you have any question, guys, like I said, just leave it in the comments. And if you want to learn more about this business, feel free to reach out to me in my email address if you want to get access to my course. Also, this course is helping my students to make results. If you go to my YouTube posts here, I already shared my student results here. Like this student made his first $50 with affiliate marketing. I have this student here made 8,145. I have this student made $5,361. I have this student Emma made $7,000 in 1 month, and more. Okay, feel free, if you want to take this business seriously, to reach out to me in my email address. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And also, guys, you can promote a lot of services. Okay, not just video editor. Okay, you can search for thumbnail designer, logo design, and so much more. You can promote a lot of services here. And look how many people search for every single day. People search for a lot of services on Reddit. Okay, for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you need to promote those services on Reddit. Look at this one, video editor, fixed monthly, $1,500. This one will pay $1,500 for editor monthly, fixed monthly payments. Okay, hiring video for looking for video editors. Okay, look at this, and you have a lot. Okay, here is another one, looking for video editor. Guys, I shared with you here everything, how you can start, which affiliate links to promote, where you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from you. So what's left, it's just you. You just need to take this business seriously and start. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.